Forget robots stealing your job. Forget smart watches counting your steps. What if I told you the real backbone of our world isn't artificial intelligence? It's mechanical loyalty. Engines, pumps, belts, switches. Working 24/7, no Wi-Fi, no updates. Automated arms that build your car door, your laptop hinge, your kid's toy robot. They don't trend. They don't crash. They just work. Bolting, welding, testing. 1,000,000 precise movements, so you can enjoy same-day delivery. Every time you press G or 42, you trust a microchip that hasn't been updated in 15 years. It runs elevators that lift 2 billion people a day. No errors, no crashes. Just ancient perfection. While you sleep peacefully, a 30-year-old HVAC system in a hospital is regulating neonatal ward temperatures, keeping surgeries sterile, preserving vaccines. It's not smart, it's not pretty, but it's the reason the newborn in room 4 is alive. Ever seen a voltage stabilizer? Of course not. But it's the reason your blender didn't fry. The reason your office didn't black out during that lightning strike. They're ugly, they're old, and they are heroes. In steel plants and flour mills, there's a heartbeat, a giant rotating flywheel. Once started, it never stops. Not because it's smart, but because it was built not to fail. This is time measured in revolutions, not seconds. While we argue about the future, while tech CEOs tweet about Mars, this quiet army of machines keeps Earth spinning. No recognition, no likes, no AI. Just gears, wires, and willpower. So tonight, say thank you to the unsung heroes that never sleep. Because if they did, you'd know instantly.